Listen up. What if I told you that at 68 years old, after decades of waking up every single night to pee or just stare at the dark ceiling feeling miserable, I now sleep like a rock from 10 p.m. straight through to morning. And you can too. Starting tonight, no pills, no machines, just changes that actually work for us seniors. If you're sick of feeling like a zombie every day, stay right here, because what I'm about to share changed everything for me. Hey everybody, I'm David, born and raised in California, 68 years young, still walking the beaches in Santa Monica most mornings. For years, I was that guy dragging myself out of bed at 2 a.m., 4 a.m., shuffling to the bathroom half asleep, then lying there wide awake, heart racing, wondering if I'd ever feel rested again. It wrecked my energy, my mood, even made me snap at my grandkids sometimes. I tried everything, cutting coffee, weird teas, even those expensive mattress toppers. Nothing stuck until I got serious and researched what really happens to our bodies after 65. As we age, our bladders hold less. Our bodies make less of that hormone that keeps urine production low at night. And sleep gets lighter. We wake easier from anything. Add in prostate stuff for us guys, maybe some arthritis pain, medications, or just too much fluid late in the day, and boom, broken nights become normal. But normal doesn't mean inevitable. I fixed mine without doctors at first, though I always say, check with yours if it's severe or you suspect sleep apnea. First big game changer, fluid timing. I used to sip water all evening. Big mistake. Now I front-load my liquids. Most of my 8-1-0 glasses happen before 4 or 5 p.m., after 6 or 7 p.m., almost nothing. If I'm thirsty, tiny sips only. No big gulps before bed. This alone cut my bathroom trips from 3, 4, down to 0 or 1 max. And here's a trick almost nobody talks about. Elevate your legs in the afternoon. I sit on the couch with my feet up on pillows higher than my heart for 60 minutes around 4 or 5 p.m. It moves fluid out of my legs, so my body processes it during the day instead of dumping it at night. Game over for that swollen ankle pee pressure. Next, strict schedule. Bed at 10 p.m., up at 6 a.m., every single day, even weekends. No sleeping in. Our body clocks get wonky with age, so consistency resets everything. Naps? Short and early, 20 minutes max before 2 p.m. Long afternoon naps steal nighttime sleep. I used to crash for hours. Now I feel sharper without them. Bedroom like a sleep
Good evening.
cave.
I know
Cool.
nauthias likepa
I
and
keep
software
it
first
6'4",
Magenjian checks.
6'6",
At Tide by
agrees with a
Wab
fan.
Brigade
Pitch black,
Stark looking a difference.
blackout curtains,
Let's embrace healthy aging
no
together.
night lights except a tiny one for the bathroom path. Quiet, white noise machine, or just the Ocean Sounds app, since I'm in California. No phone, no TV in bed. Blue light kills melatonin. I read a real book or do deep breathing instead. If I wake up, I don't check the clock or my phone. That makes it worse. Just close my eyes, breathe slow. Picture the beach at sunset. Exercise timing matters. I walk 30 minutes most mornings or do gentle yard work. Nothing intense close to bed. That revs you up. Daytime movement builds natural tiredness for deeper sleep at night. I also do pelvic floor squeezes, Kegels, a few sets daily. Strengthens everything down there. Reduces urgency. Easy. Squeeze like. Holding in gas. Hold 5 seconds. Relax. Repeat 10 times. 3 times a day. Watch the irritants. Caffeine? None afternoon. It lingers longer.
I've been
in older
reflecting on what
bodies.
truly matters in life.
Alcohol? I limit
Not about
to one
achievements,
small
but the
glass
moments we
early
share.
evening, if any.
So
It
cheers
makes you
today,
pee more
and add a
fragment
deeper
sleep.
meaning.
Heavy
That's the real
or
journey.
spicy dinners? Nope. Light meals by 6 p.m. to avoid heartburn or indigestion waking me. Salt? I cut back. Too much holds water and worsens nighttime flow. Natural boosters I swear by. Tart cherry juice. Small glass around 8 p.m. Naturally ups melatonin. Magnesium glycinate.
Hi everyone, it's 3 a.m. and I feel calm, refreshed, and full of energy. Staying active and positive keeps me feeling this good. You can do it too. Here's to your health.
Chamomile tea early evening. Warm shower an hour before bed, drops core temperature, signals sleep. If pain or snoring is bad, see a doc. Could be apnea, restless legs, or meds side effects. But for most of us, these habits fix 80–90% of it. Track it. Keep a simple diary first week. What you drank, when, how many wake-ups. Patterns jump out. Friends,
You know, I feel more
went from
energetic and refreshed at 3 a.m.
grumpy
than I did in my
to waking up
30s.
energized,
It's all about staying active,
smiling at the
eating well, and
sunrise
keeping a
over
positive
the
mindset.
Pacific.
You can do this
You
too.
deserve
Let's embrace
that
health
too.
together.
Start tonight. Pick one or two things. Stop fluids early. Elevate legs. Stick to bedtime. In days, you'll notice. In weeks, you'll wonder why you waited. If this resonates, drop a comment. I'm starting tonight, David. Like if you're done with broken sleep, subscribe for more real senior health tips from a guy who's lived it here in California. Share with a friend over 60 who's struggling. You've got this. Peaceful nights awaiting. Sweet dreams. Take care.